Day 40 of building a new mobile game in Unity every day. For today's game, I wanted to make a rail shooter, something like Time Crisis. The past few days I've been happy with my work, but the scope has been small. I want that level of completeness, but with a bigger scope, ideally 3D games. I just love the aesthetic of 3D games. It feels much more like a whole world. I worked on the shaders a lot. I wanted to reuse the old grass shader I made to give the enemies a green glitchy look. It didn't work out, so I wrote a new shader that would dither fade them in. You can't shoot them while they're transparent, so it turns the game kind of into a rhythm game. Since you need to wait for them to be close, then you can shoot them. I also spent a long time working on the different zones. I didn't have a clear idea of what the architecture would look like, so I rewrote it 3 times. One trick I learned from Warcraft 3 is you can fire a global event, then the listeners can check the arguments and see if it's an event they want to process. This is how the enemies know that they've been shot by the player without even having a reference. At this stage, I was ready, everything was done. I tried to build the project, but then when I ran it, nothing happened. Luckily, in Unity it's pretty easy to connect a debugger to your phone directly, which was great. One last note, this was my first time using Unity mono singletons, and they worked really well, so I definitely recommend them. Anyway, here's my game for today.